Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, let's learn how to execute first HTML program on Linux. Let's get started with the video. We will use editor, that is GNOME editor. Right click, click on open in terminal. We'll use command gedit space program name .html extension. Same way you can do it in Windows. Use Notepad and follow the same steps to execute first HTML program. So this we are learning how to write and execute on Linux. Now let's write program. So first line of code is HTML tag. So here we'll write small program. Next body tag, and inside body tag I will include h1 tag. There are 6 heading tags. H1 is the largest. Close of h1 and close of body, and lastly close of HTML tag. Save the program, click on save option. Now the program is saved. Now let's execute the program. Directly go on the place where you have saved, double click and open. The program is executed. Or another way is on the file icon, right click and use open with Firefox, and if you want to open with editor, use open with gedit text editor. That's all for this video. I hope this video will help you to execute program. Follow these simple steps to execute on Linux operating system. Same you can follow to execute on Windows operating system. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.